Alright guys, we got a repair review. This is a Texas Star. Let's see. 600 DX. That's an oldie. It's got some odd old transistors in it. Right off the bat, I seen somebody put these big old caps up here on top. They're not factory, but they ain't hurting nothing. They're just trying to get a little more power to the transistors. The output capacity, we're out of adjustment. Excuse me, both of them on the output transformer. So I've been using all of them. Basically, all I did was just turn them out and glue them. But it's a good old amp, oldie though. Now your lights are out and your push buttons. Not all of them, but some of them. The let me reach there. I forgot to plug in my power supply. Oh lordy. But I could get you light bulbs, but I think the other day it was like, I looked on eBay, they had LEDs like $9 for 6. If you want to order them and put them in yourself, they're real easy to just take this lens off and plug them in. There's a lot of money for bulbs to keep in stock. Oh Lord. But here we are, Texas Star. 600. I got some on the yard and working on the dog food stuff for me out. We'll look at it, start with straight through SWR. Worldwide, 0. Here's my radio. Today it's doing about 31, 33. Alright, we're going to put in our PEP on our bird pick kit. Turn power on, this is high. Input tune, worldwide, 0. Here we go, worldwide. It's only about 590 PEP. No, I'm sorry, 500 PEP I was looking at. 500 peak area. And it's weird how different amps do different stuff. If you look on the bird, worldwide, it's doing 500. Well, it's doing 550 on the bird. But this particular amp on the LP, worldwide, does a little bit less than the bird. That's kind of wild, ain't it? Worldwide. Let's see what it looks like on the scope. It's a little sharp and pointy. Let's see if I can clean it up a little bit. No. I can't do nothing about it. It ain't tuned like my amps. As you can see. I mean, the scope just shows you plain as day. See the trapezoid on the right? Let me turn the volume up a little bit on the tone. See how it's curving out? It's not linear. On the spectrum analyzer, it shows about the same. Yeah. That's something nobody, they talk about these spectrum analyzers and scopes and all that. I'll show you something. You can manipulate these things with your tone generator alone. Look. Alright, now watch this. Let me go to a different tone. I'm usually doing this on a Texas Star instead of my amp. Just to kind of be unbiased about it. There's your white noise. But see, the tone alone and the volume of the tone can be the difference in whether they look right or wrong on a scope or spectrum analyzer. I'm not no genius or nothing like that, but I'm starting to learn about it a little bit. Now, I'm not a professional like some of these guys claim to be, but I like to build a good amp and kind of see if it's in tune right. So you can go back here and see my modulation's too loud. See how it squares off? Now we're going to bring it back down. Try to get a decent look on the scope. Got the scope looking pretty good with the radio. But over here you see the trapezoid. It's not a trapezoid. But I just thought that was kind of interesting. This is the Class AB box. Well, it's working good, bud. I just did that little video to show a few things. If somebody wants to watch it, they can. We'll go down here and push in the green button, which is the first stage low. Worldwide. Take it way on down. Worldwide. Oh, I got the PP off. Worldwide. I thought I took it down too much. Worldwide. So it went down a little right there, about 500, about 465. Then you can push in the yellow button, which is sideband as well as the next low. Worldwide. she's all up working, man. Should do you a good job. Old school Texas Star 600. It's 1x4. Alright folks, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Your friend 10-018 Babies. Catch you later. Bye bye.